We are looking at what is the meaning of these letters together and how to pronounce them. They are used in particular, you see them a lot in text messages and emails in particular. Now those could mean, if you are a trader on stock markets, it could mean ex-dividend, the ex-dividend date. I'm not going to get into what this means, but those two letters could mean that. But generally when you see them in chats and messages, this is an expression expressing happiness or laughter. There is actually a rather happy and laughing emoji or emoticon that represents those letters. And yeah, that's why really XD is how to say it. XD, happiness or laughter. XD. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and what they mean, especially slang terms and expressions used in text messages. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.